Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday morning, so I wanted to go over all of your plans for today. Hey, come on down. I'm doing a video right now, okay? All right, so this week you have Miss Aiken did a Night Sky Read Aloud for you. I did part 2 of your Butterflies book from last week, so this is the next part of that. And in reading, you have 2 lessons to watch from Miss Roberts. And she's going to be teaching you that readers stop and think about the facts while you're learning. And so after you watch her lessons, you're going to get a nonfiction book from home or just find one on the internet and put it on mute if you want to. And just practice like stopping, or if you're watching the video, pushing the pause button and thinking about what you're learning, all of the important facts. And you are going to, you can do this activity like with stopping and thinking with someone at your house, or you could stop and jot if you'd like to. So what you're going to do is after every page in your book, you're going to stop or hit pause and think, what facts did I just learn? And then you're going to write down one fact from each page to stop and jot and stop and think. And she gave you an idea if you want. If you don't have nonfiction books at home, you can just use a video. Or you could use Frog and Toad fact page that's on the lesson plans on the website to help you practice stopping and thinking. In math, you have a video that you can watch anytime, 3-digit addition. And today you're going to be reviewing the strategy that you already know, how to solve 3-digit addition sentences. You're going to click here to watch the video, and then you're going to do the sheet called Break Apart, and that is for a grade. So do you see how these are yellow? If it's yellow, it's for a grade, and that's what we need. So you don't have to send the Break Apart to me. You can just send it to Miss Strickland or put it on her Seesaw. So the Break Apart is your first grade this week. In science, you're going to go to Brain Pop Junior and you're going to watch Need and Wants and take the easy quiz. And then you can create a web bubble to identify 4 basic needs that animals have: air, water, food, and shelter. That's it for today's lessons. Today at 9:30, you're invited to a Microsoft Teams meeting with me. I'm going to be doing a portion of a read aloud with you today at 9:30. And I sent you that email link last night. So I hope to see everybody this morning at 9:30 on Microsoft Teams. And remember, you go through ClassLink to do that. All right, guys, see you later.